As you can see, it's a beautiful summer's day in the UK. It's set to rain all day today, which is great for the vegetable patch, great for the trees, great for our water collection, but not so great for the solar panels. So we're going to check in on them every couple of hours, and we're going to see how they're getting on via our Victron Turbo GX. So it's 7 in the morning at the moment, and as you can see, it's raining pretty heavily. So only around 70 watts coming in at the moment, which isn't covering our load. We are actually going away for a few days tomorrow, and I've got a lot of washing and drying to do. So the batteries are going to deplete quite a lot today if the weather continues like this. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock, and as you can see, the rain's eased off a lot at the moment. It's just a drizzle. The sky is still really grey though, so not expecting a lot of power to be coming in. Okay, so we can see a slight increase in what is coming in, but nothing compared to what we usually bring in at this time in the morning in June. The washing machine is on, so we still aren't covering our load, and the batteries have depleted by 3%. So it's now 11 o'clock and still only drizzling. We'll have a look and see how it's getting on. So from 11 AM to 1 PM is usually the optimum time of the day for us, but we aren't even bringing in 1000 watts at the moment. We're just covering our load at the moment, but I'm not expecting that the batteries will gain much today, and I think they will continue to deplete once the tumble dryer goes on. Okay, so it's now 1 o'clock in the afternoon, still really grey, still raining a little bit. Let's have a look how it's getting on. We can see that the tumble dryer is kicked in now, and that the load isn't being covered by the PV. The batteries are down another 3% too, and I will be surprised if the charge exceeds 500 watts for the rest of the day now. Okay, so it's actually stopped raining now, just about, but still very, very grey. So if you've seen any of our other solar videos, you may have picked up on our love-hate relationship with Pylontech due to the error messages that we receive, and here they are. We will be looking into this weekend, so watch this space for an update. Okay, so the PV charge is up and is covering our load, which has reduced now. However, the use of the tumble dryer and washing machine has seriously knocked the battery charge, and we won't be building that back up to 100% today. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock, still grey, still drizzling. More internal failure notifications, perfect. So we're down another 5%, and we are using both the tumble dryer and washing machine at the moment, so our load is over 2000 watts. So it's 7 o'clock now in the evening, and it's really grey and dark for this time of year, for this time of the day. So back to where we were at 7 this morning in terms of PV charge. We've used 37% of our batteries today, and that will increase as the load is still more than the PV. If you found this video helpful, then you'll definitely like our video on our solar power system in winter, where we talk about how much we had to use a generator and how we plan to change that next winter.